Do you want me to take a look around number 4 Anvil Close in Billingshurst? A really good sized 2-bedroom first floor apartment located minutes walk from everything Billingshurst has to offer. The current vendors have undertaken a full refurbishment project in recent years. Let's go take a look around. So just before we head inside, I'll give you a bit of an idea on location. So heading out of Anvil Close and turning right leads you on to West Street. So you're about a 5-minute walk into Billingshurst High Street, while heading out of Anvil Close and turning left leads you on to Forge Way. At the bottom of Forge Way you'll meet the Weald Secondary School, and then you're about a 5-minute walk again from Billingshurst Primary, Billingshurst Leisure Centre and Billingshurst Main Line Railway Station, with links up into London Victoria in just over the hour. Anvil Close itself, you haven't got any official parking, but it's first come first served, so on-road parking. But you can see we're here just after 3 o'clock, plenty of spaces, and the owners have got, I think, 3 cars, never had any issues here. The block we come to look at is just on the right, so it's one of 4 apartments. The one we're coming to see is the top floor here. You've got a small communal entrance. We'll head upstairs in a moment, but we'll just take a look out here. So you've got communal gardens for all the residents to use. So it's the block of 4 flats to our right and the ones we've just been into. Communal washing area. And also as well, you get a small storage cupboard as well with the flat. So it's number 4, which is the one just here. Heading back on in. You've got just the 2 flats on this floor, and we're coming to look at the one just here. Let's take a look around. Right, so let's take a look around the inside of the property. It's coming in, you've got a really good size L-shaped entrance hall. You've got plenty of fitted storage. So the cupboard to your left, good size storage cupboard. You've got boiler cupboard with a combination boiler. I believe that's 4 or 5 years old. Coat cupboard to our right. Family bathroom, so it's been completely overhauled by the current owners. So you've got a modern white suite of fitted storage. Large bath with overbath shower and towel rail, which is run off the combi boiler. Moving through, got another decent sized storage cupboard, currently housing the tumble dryer. And then a really generous living dining room. Plenty of room for a large sofa, dining table, and then views out onto the green. High level window, fitted radiator. Another storage cubby in here. And then a great size kitchen. Upgraded again by the current owners. You've got fitted fridge freezer, oven, microwave, single dishwasher, space for a washing machine, and also space for a large American style fridge freezer. You've got a white high gloss unit, induction hob, and then plenty of storage. Modern low maintenance flooring, but then a great size. Right, completing the accommodation, you've got 2 really good sized double bedrooms again. The current owners use this one as the main. So you've got a super king bed, range of fitted storage. This looks out onto Anvil Close itself. So you've got no official parking, but it's on-street parking. You've got plenty of spaces down there. Getting a great sized room, plenty of room for additional freestanding furniture. Then just across the hallway, you've got another generous double room. Currently, you've got bunk beds in here and fitted storage again, with a view out onto the communal space, which we'll go and take a look at in a moment. That was number 4 Anvil Close in Billingshurst. I hope you agree, a really good size 2-bedroom apartment. Any questions, or if you'd like to arrange a viewing, give us a call, 01403 785 288.